Cento on scrapyard vultures. Here the body is the sheared off wing of the Transavia plane lying in a scrap heap. About nail and hammer, plank and uneasy sky, the clang of iron and the burst and hiss of the cutting torch. It is simple and American, machines and steel, and mangling all of it in the crusher. Dead things here get a fan club of vultures, the weedy heart of the junkyard, a dull dazzle of horseflies, a few puddles, lumps of charcoal, pieces of daub and bone, teeth shredding the slick lining to a satin nest. What just frightened them into flight, in terms of planes, in terms of spatial organization, unable to stand the sight of another with mercy enough to consume us all and give us wings?